Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla, if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Kylie collection, Kylie Summer collection. If it were up to me, it would be called the Bananas collection. Like, I don't think that's the name of it. It's just a summer collection. I feel like it should be called Bananas because there's bananas everywhere. Or Banana Split, maybe? Banana Split? Let me get, All right, let me show you guys the little PR package. I believe this is a PR package, and it has those little, I haven't tried these because I'm trying to, be snatched for the summer. I'm on my little health kick. But I think these are the candy. Remember those banana candies? So this is pretty cute. I just love a theme. Give me anything except ponies and mermaids and the ocean, because that's played out. You guys already know how we're doing that for a whole season. I'm over the ponies, but I am all the way here for a theme. I think it makes collections fun. And it makes me excited to review them and try them out. All right, so Kylie is launching a 14-pan eyeshadow palette. You guys will see me use all the color, well, not all the colors. You'll see me use some of them in the review. But she's launching an eyeshadow palette, 2 liquid lipsticks, 5 matte lipsticks. Wait, liquid, matte, yeah. And 3 lip glosses. So everything has little bananas all over it. And I'm not into bananas like that. I don't even eat them anymore. But this is just cute. All right, before we get into the review, I want to talk about the palette a little bit. So it says Kylie. You can see it in big letters right here. The names are on the back. And let me show you, there's a mirror. I think palettes, you guys know this, and I know a lot of you guys don't care because I read your comments and you're like, I don't care if the names are on the back or the front. But I think it just looks better when names are on the front. When the palette, eyeshadow, and you can see the names. And for us YouTubers, I think it matters more because when we're showing you guys a product, we can actually see the name. I don't know. It's just a little thing that I like. I know a lot of you guys don't care, but that's just, I think it makes it look better too. That's just my first impression of the palette. I cannot wait to show you guys these products. So in this video, I am going to be trying on all of the lip colors. Yes, we're having a little swatch party. I am trying every single one on. I'm going to do an eyeshadow demo, and you guys are going to hear and see my first impression. So without further ado, let's go bananas. No, but for real, let's get started. I'm super drawn to all of the orange shades in the palette. I know it's hard. Oh, there it is. There it is. You can see them. So this, boom, boom, boom. So I think we're going to go that route. We're going to have a little orange sunshine type of feel. All right, so I am going to start with Need a Tan in the crease first. It's actually more of a brown orange. I feel like on camera it looks pretty orange, but it's it's more of a brown orange. Now that I have it on, I'm like, oh, it's pretty, it's like a brown orange. And I prep my eyes with the Too Faced concealer. I always use concealer as a base. I never have issues with Kylie's products, not blending or issues with the pigment at all. So this is really similar to, well, not similar, it's just the other palettes. It's going on nice and smooth. I just love oranges in the crease, If there's any type of orange like this in the palette, I'm gonna be happy because these just look the best on my skin tone. I'd probably wear this all over, even on the lid, with lashes and call it a day, boom. All right, next I'm gonna apply Suns Out, Buns Out in the crease. This is kind of a burgundy type of shade. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's a purpley brown. Put this right up in here. Ooh, this looks pretty. I'm really liking this color combo, the orange with the purple. Yes. Is that a banana in your pocket, or? I know that's what y'all thought about, okay, when you saw this packaging. I may use a little bit of this black later, but I want to see how this orange shows up because I don't want it to be too Halloween-like, you know what I mean? So we're gonna first apply Juicy, this one right here, which is an orange tangerine shade. We're gonna put this all over the lid. Ooh, that's cute. I feel like this color would even be pretty just all over the lid by itself with your fingers if you're on vacation. I know, can you believe I said with your fingers, but you know what I mean? Like when you just want that like glowy summer look, you could just put a little bit of this on the lid. I don't think I'm gonna add the black. I think it's gonna be too like, just not the right vibe. So I'm gonna use my pencil brush and I'm just gonna smudge this purpley brown, the last shade I put in the crease. I'm gonna smudge this under my lash line. I'm gonna pop a little bit of Summer, this like light shade, on the inside of my lid. I honestly feel like this orange isn't really like any other colors I've seen in any other palettes. Like I feel like the crease colors maybe you probably already have if you're like a makeup fanatic, but this lid color is pretty unique. It's cute. Yeah, this orange is popping. All right, I'm gonna wing out my liner with Dose of Color Shady Eyeliner. I'm gonna wing it. Yes, we are. I would just love to have the same wing on both my eyes one day. Just like a dream of mine. One day it'll happen. Gonna finish off with some mascara. What do you guys think so far of this orange? I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it. With my hair like this and a headband and these big earrings, I'm kind of getting like 70s vibes, you know? The wing, the earrings, the headband. Kind of here for it. Kind of here for it. All right, we're gonna finish off the look with Lily Miami lashes. Lily lashes in Miami, y'all know. I just live for a wispy lash. Like, I don't know if I'll grow out of this phase, if it is a phase, but I just love it. I love it. There she is. There she is right there. I'm looking at all of the lip colors. There's 10 lip colors in this Bananas collection. So I think what I'm gonna do is just try all of them on, and then you guys will see if I like them, if they're season 10, or if they're season 1, honey. I low-key look like Kylie's packaging right now with the yellow backdrop and then my bright orange look here. That's okay. All right, now that you guys have seen the full collection, here's the tea. So the lipsticks are booming. I'm actually obsessed with the lipsticks, not the liquid lipsticks, the regular lipsticks. I love the formula. I love the colors. Bomb. The only thing that I'm like not really feeling are the glosses. I'm not into the iridescent metallic purpley blue. Like, I'm not into the glosses at all. I feel like they're kind of like more of a pigment. Like, they don't feel like a glossy gloss. And I don't like it. That's what it is. I just don't like the lip glosses. The eyeshadow palette is pretty. Like, I love this tangerine orange color on my lid. It's, you know, giving my complexion all types of life. So the glosses are probably the only thing I'm gonna pass on. And yeah, that's it. I'm a little bananas over it. All right, that's the tea, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this review of Kylie's summer collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and last but not least, strut and slay. I had to take off that headband for this. Which ones are a flop, if there is a flop? I'm here for it. Let's banana split. Still looks cute though. Oh my god, that was so corny. Like, why is it dark right there? Let's banana split. Nova. Like Fashion Nova? Holy unicorn. Whoa. Oh, banana. What to do, what to do, what to do. Yes. Ooh, this is cute. I feel like the best thing to, let's just start over. This is actually kind of cute. Let's go bananas. All right, y'all, that was the tea. That was the tea.